Hello and welcome to this Advanced Excel ECDL video. Today we will be looking at financial functions. Financial functions can calculate the monthly repayments required in a loan if you know the interest rate, the term of the loan in months, and the amount of the loan. You can also predict the present value of a loan or a savings account and the future value. So the first thing we're going to do is, with this information here in cell B7, we're going to calculate the monthly repayments that are needed to be made with this information. So click on Financial in the function library, and we're going to scroll down and find PMT. So now we need to find the rate. So that's the interest rate, annual interest rate, divided by 12 to get it for each month. The NPER, which is the total number of payments for the loan. So that would mean the term of the loan as you pay it each month. So that would be B4, 240. And then for the present value of the loan, we'll choose cell B5. This is the present value of the loan, and click OK. So here you can see that you'll have to pay €1,616.89 based on an amount of €245,000. So with this information we can calculate the present value. So click on the Formulas tab, click on Financial, and scroll down until you see PV. So again, choose the rate divided by 12. The NPER, which is the number of payment periods in an investment. As this is a monthly investment, it's going to be the term of the loan, which is 240. And PMT, the payment made each period. What we do is we put a minus before this. That's because that is subtracting from the amount. So the monthly repayments is this. And of course, because it's the same calculation, as this is just for demonstration purposes, it is the same. But this can be used if you have a savings account and have the interest rate, the number of payments within, or installments or lodgements, or the amount. So now we're going to calculate the future value of this loan. So in the function library group, we'll select Financial, scroll down until we find FV. Again, we find the rate and divide it by 12. Choose the number of payments, so this is monthly repayments, minus the payment made each period, which is the PMT. So that's minus your monthly repayments, which is calculated here. And click OK. So that'll be the future value of the loan when it's entirely paid off. I hope you have enjoyed this video and that you have benefited from it. If you want to find out more information about Advanced Excel, you can click the link below to visit the DigiDiscover website. Here you'll find a range of books showing you how to use Microsoft Office applications.